Hi, welcome back to my channel. Listen, if you're running a small YouTube channel waiting to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so you can finally make money, I want to be honest with you, you are already playing the wrong game. Most channels that struggle financially aren't failing because they're too small. They are failing because they are built entirely around ads. A lot of creators design their entire YouTube strategy around a monetization method that only works after massive skill. But the creators who monetize early, they're not chasing views. They're designing their channel like a system. So in this video, I'm going to break down how small YouTube channels make money before ads ever matter, and why this approach works even if your channel never goes viral. Think of it like this. If ads disappeared from YouTube tomorrow, most small creators wouldn't lose money because they were never making any from the ads in the first place. That's why it's so critical to stop viewing YouTube as just a content platform and start treating it like a business ecosystem. Why ads are the worst first monetization goal. Ad revenue is the most visible form of monetization on YouTube, and that's exactly why it's so misunderstood. Ads depend on so many things you cannot control as a small creator. Volume, watch time, CPM fluctuations, advertiser demand. If you're under tens of thousands of views per month, ad revenue is very unpredictable and inconsistent. But here's the bigger issue. Ads reward attention but not impact. You can have high views, but low trust and zero buying intent. That's why smart creators don't ask, how do I get monetized by YouTube? But instead, they ask, how do I monetize through YouTube? And that one distinction changes everything. How monetization works for small channels? Small channels don't monetize through reach. They monetize through relevance. A creator with 300 subscribers who solves one painful specific problem can out-earn a creator with over 30,000 subscribers who talks about everything. Monetization happens when a viewer feels understood, a problem feels personal, a solution feels realistic. And this is why broad educational content often fails to convert, because it informs, but it doesn't move people. Good videos help people think differently, avoid mistakes, take better next steps, feel less stuck, and that's real value. YouTube videos usually solve parts of the problem, but not the entire journey. Why focused channels convert better? Broad content informs, but focused content moves people. Small channels win by choosing one core problem and addressing it repeatedly from different angles. Mind shift. Common mistakes, real examples, simple frameworks. When people watch multiple videos and think, this channel keeps explaining exactly what I'm dealing with. That's trust. And trust is what makes monetization possible, not subscriber count. Authority beats popularity. On YouTube, authority doesn't come from credentials or sounding impressive. It comes from consistency. Authority is built when viewers believe you understand their situation, you respect their time, and you explain things clearly. So, you don't need advanced strategies. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room. However, you do need to be reliable. And that's why small channels can monetize early. People aren't buying from the biggest creators. They are buying from the one who makes things click. Where monetization fits in. Here's the part most creators overcomplicate. Monetization doesn't mean selling in every video. It doesn't mean locking all solutions behind a paywall. It simply means this. Your free content helps people understand and start solving the problem. Your paid offer exists for the person who wants structure, clarity, or a faster path. In reality, not everyone needs it. Not everyone will buy, but that's okay. Monetization works best when it feels like a next step, not a pitch. Why this model works long term. When your channel is built around a specific audience, a specific problem, a clear direction, you stop relying on trends and constant uploads. Your content compounds. And what I mean is a video you post today can attract the right viewer, build trust, lead to monetization months or even years later. And that's how creators build sustainable income, not by chasing views. So if this video helped you see YouTube monetization differently, I'm glad. Small channels don't lose because they're small. They lose because they lack focus. So if you are building with clarity, solving real problems, and thinking beyond ads, you are already ahead of most creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!